Ever scrolled through your phone, seen an ad for StashAway, and thought, that looks interesting, but where did it even come from? You're not alone. It's a question that pops up a lot, and honestly, it's a good one. In a world awash with financial apps and robo-advisors, knowing the origin story can tell you a lot about the platform itself. Think about it. We're bombarded with financial jargon and promises of easy wealth. But how do you know who to trust? Where do these platforms come from? What's the background of the people making the decisions that affect your money? It's like buying a new gadget. You want to know who designed it, where it was built, and what the quality control is like. The same principle applies to your investments. StashAway, with its sleek interface and promise of personalized portfolios, has certainly made waves. It's become a go-to for many looking to automate their investments and take the stress out of managing their finances. But behind the app, there's a story, a history, and a geographical origin that's crucial to understanding its philosophy and approach. So, let's cut to the chase. The country that birthed StashAway is Singapore. Yes, this tiny island nation, a global financial hub, is where StashAway's journey began. And that's not just a footnote, it's a defining characteristic. Singapore's reputation for financial stability, innovation, and strict regulatory oversight plays a massive role in shaping StashAway's ethos. Let's unpack that a bit. Singapore is a powerhouse in the financial world. It's known for its robust regulatory framework, designed to protect investors and maintain market integrity. This creates a fertile ground for fintech companies like StashAway to thrive. The Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, has been proactive in fostering innovation while ensuring consumer protection. This environment has instilled in StashAway a commitment to transparency and compliance. Furthermore, Singapore's strategic location in Southeast Asia has allowed StashAway to rapidly expand its reach across the region. It's not just a local player, it's a regional force. Being headquartered in Singapore gives StashAway access to a diverse pool of talent, cutting-edge technology, and a deep understanding of the Asian financial landscape. But it's not just about the regulatory environment. StashAway's founding team, led by Michelle Ferrario, has a rich background in finance and technology. They brought together expertise from various corners of the globe, but the company's core DNA is undeniably Singaporean. The emphasis on data-driven decision-making, long-term investment strategies, and a user-centric approach reflects the values that are deeply ingrained in Singapore's financial culture. You might be thinking, okay, Singapore's great, but does it really matter? Absolutely. Knowing where StashAway comes from helps you understand its approach to risk management, its investment philosophy, and its long-term vision. It's not just an app, it's a product of a specific financial ecosystem. Think about the implications. Singapore's focus on long-term stability translates to StashAway's emphasis on building diversified portfolios that can weather market fluctuations. The regulatory oversight ensures that your investments are handled with care and transparency. The access to a vast network of financial professionals and resources allows StashAway to offer sophisticated investment strategies to a wider audience. It's the difference between a product built in a garage and one built in a state-of-the-art facility. It's about knowing that the platform you're entrusting your money to is backed by a robust regulatory framework and a culture of financial excellence. So, the next time you see that StashAway ad, remember that it's more than just a slick app. It's a product of Singapore's financial innovation, its commitment to investor protection, and its vision for the future of investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.